Hi guys, so now we will continue chapter 3 part 1 in the C++. There is a selection control structure. Okay, uh, as you know, the chapter outline, uh, you have to know about the Boolean expression. Okay, so as you know, what's meant by Boolean expression? In order to make decision, you must be able to make comparison and express the condition that are true or false. So we know that you need to identify whether the expression is a true or false. An expression that has a value either true or false is called a logical or Boolean expression. Comparison is done by using relational operator. For example, I more than J. Okay, I is bigger than J, or X is equals to Y. So we compare I with the J. We compare X and Y. So okay, this is the tables. Okay, a table of relational operators. So this is a less than operator. Okay, this is a more than or greater than. Okay, less than or equal, more than or equal. This is a not equal. So for the not equal, we must put a not a sign. Okay, and then it's a equal to for comparison. The result is either true, that is delegate to 1, or false, that is a 0. So for example, 7, okay, is less than 8. So the answer is true, 1. Okay, so if we put a 7 is greater than 8, so the answer is 0. That is a false. Okay. Okay, rewrite each condition below in valid C++ Boolean expression. Okay, this exercise you can do it in your you can do it, and then you can post it into the Google Classroom. Okay. So a simple Boolean expression, an expression in which two numbers, okay, two numbers is an arithmetic value, are compared using a single relational operator. Each Boolean expression has the Boolean value. Okay, as we know that Boolean value is a true or false according to the arithmetic validity of the expression. And then the syntax of Boolean expression, as you know, arithmetic value, relational operator, arithmetic value. So it will show the Boolean value. Okay. And then this is a simple Boolean expression. 7 is greater than or equals to 7. Is it true or false? Yeah, for sure it's true. Why true? Because we have operator here equals to 7. Okay. If not, if we didn't have this kind of operator, so it will return result false result. Okay. So 8 is not equals to 8. So as we know that 8 is equals to 8. So this is false. Okay. So okay, next is 2 is less than 10. Okay, it's a true. 8 is less than or equals to 3. So we know that this is a false statement. Okay. And then 6 is equals to 6. Okay. That is a true statement. Okay, logical operators. Logical operators enable you to combine logical expression. The logical operators are and, or not. Okay, so you can combine the logical expression. The result is either true or false. Okay, for example, 7 is bigger than 8. It's greater than 8, or 8 is less than 7. So we know that this is a false statement, or this is a false statement, so it will return false statement. Okay, so what happen if we state that 7 is smaller than 8, or 7 is greater than 8? So we know that or, okay, if the logical expression is 7 is smaller than 8 is true, or 7 is greater than 8 is false. So true or false, it will show a true answer. Okay, because we use or. Okay, if you use and, so you know that we need to have what we call true answer for both logical expression. Okay. Okay, the truth table. As you know, you always can follow this truth table. So A, B, okay, A and B, A or B, not A. Okay, for example, we have A, B, true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. So A and B, for A, B, true, true is true, right? Okay, so next is true, false is false because we use and. Okay, we use and. So this is a false. False true is false. Okay, false false is false. Why? Because we use and, the combination of and. Okay. So the next is A or B. So as you know, true or true, it will return true. True or false, it will return true. False or true, it will return true. False or false, it will return false. Okay, so the next one is not A. So not true is false. Not true is false. Not false is true. Not false is true. You can always remember this truth table, and you can always follow this truth table in order for you to get a logical expression, the right answer. Okay. Next, compound Boolean expression. Okay, so we have a combination of Boolean expression. 8 is more than 7. It's a true, right? And, okay, remember that and 7 is less than 8. It's a true. So the result is true. Okay. So not, okay, not 8 equals to 8. So we know that 8 equals to 8 is true. Okay. So not true is false. Okay. So the explanation 8 equals to 8 is true, since we put not before the expression, so the expression is evaluated as a false. Okay. So you can do this exercise. Assume that P equals to 10, Q equals to 5, R equals to 10. Determine whether the following expression is true or false. Okay, so this exercise you can do it alone and post it into the Google Classroom. Okay. Okay, precedence and associativity. Okay, as you know that we have a precedence and also the associativity there. Okay, so precedence 1, the highest level to the lowest level. If the precedence level of operators in an expression are the same, then the order of evaluation depends on the associativity, left to right. Okay, so as you can see, this is the table that show about operators and also precedence. Okay, evaluate the following Boolean expression, either true or false. Okay, so this is true or false. 6 less or equals to 7, true or false? This statement is a true. But when we put it not, okay, when we put it this a sign, okay, this not sign, so it will become false. Okay, so as you know, 5.0 plus 10.0, okay, is 15.0 less than or equals to 20.5 is a true. Okay, so 80 is less than 100, and okay, please beware. Okay, and 90 is less than 100. So we know that this is a true and true. So the result is true. Okay, and then 11 is more than 5. This is a false statement, right? Okay, but as you know, we use or. Okay, 6 is less than 5, and 7 is more and equals to 8. So we know that this is a false or true. So this is a false statement and false statement. So we know that this is a false statement. Okay, and this is a false statement. False or false, it will return false. Okay, good. So same goes to the this question. 17 is less than 4 times 3 plus 5. Okay, so you need to know, is it a true or false? Okay, and then or, we use or. 8 times 2 equals to 4 times 4. Is it true or false? And not 3 plus 3 equals to 6. Okay, I want you to do it, this exercise, and then you can post it into the Google Classroom. Okay, so evaluate the following Boolean expression. Is it true or false? Okay, so assume that Boolean found equals to 1, float equals to float x equals to 5.2, y equals to 3.4, integer n equals to 20. So I want you to do this exercise and also post it into our Google Classroom. So that's all for today. Thank you.